Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. I know what you're thinking. Dustin, is this another tech review? Yes, it is. Today we're going to be reviewing the Comica CVM-V30 Lite. And if you don't know what this is a, let's get technical, cardioid condenser light microphone. I know what you're asking also. Dustin, don't you already have a couple microphones? Yes, I do. But this is something I wanted to try out, so we're gonna review it. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're definitely gonna have to do some slow-mo on this to show you guys how it looks like. We're gonna unbox it in slow-mo because I wanna use my other camera, Canon EOS M50, to do some slow-mo shots. Let's do that right now. Okay, to elaborate a little bit more on why I'm going to get more and more microphones, biggest reason is because I believe in my heart that audio is about 50% of your videos. Me, myself, and I like to have better audio when I can. And having these cardioid condenser microphones on top of your camera directly inputted makes having audio clearer, crisper, and more understandable a lot better. Not only that, but you have a lot of protection from wind by having these little pop filters as well as dead cat microphone covers. Now the Comica microphone, if you can see, it has a very, very big similarity to the Rode Video Micros as well as the other Rode microphones. I do like how they have the same aesthetic that they do. However, they do have some slight differences and variations on the way that they do their microphones. The reason why I decided to go with this one is because the price of it is a lot cheaper than a lot of the other competing microphones, and I've actually seen a lot of good reviews on these Comica microphones. So what we're gonna do now is I have the Rode Video Micro on top of the Canon EOS M50 right here. We're gonna take this and swap it out directly with this microphone, the Comica V30, and see how the audio compares to the Rode Video Micro, and I'll let you guys decide. So what we're gonna do first is, if you can see on the back of this right here, it has a mobile phone function as well as a camera function. I'm not sure what the difference is. I have seen that in other scenarios. This does not take a battery, which is pretty awesome in my opinion, because a lot of times when I'm out there shooting running gun stuff, I never ever remember to turn on my microphone, and I'll be shooting something for about 10 minutes straight without realizing that I have zero audio. So having that ability is definitely a plus. I would, however, like to stress that this does have a switch on it, which is the mobile phone to the DSLR, and that could also cause these same issues. I definitely won't be using this on my mobile phone, so that won't be an issue, but keep that in mind if you definitely consider picking this up. All right, we're gonna switch it to camera and we're gonna test this out live right now on set with Dustin Vang. Here we go. This is without the microphone, just so you guys can hear it. And we're gonna swap this guy on. And we're gonna test it out. This is how it sounds. I don't have any other added filters to this microphone. It's got a really soft little stabilizer on there. I definitely think it looks and sounds pretty cool. The microphone is about the length of a regular Rode microphone, so it's not really too long. And I think it's probably gonna pick up some pretty good audio. Honestly, there's like all these other specifications on here, but I don't know what they mean, so I'll just show them here so you guys can look at that. And if you need a pause frame, definitely consider doing that. Yeah, that's it right there. Cool beans. Actually, the quality of it is pretty cool. Let's do a little I guess we'll show how it looks like on the camera. I think that's probably the best way to do it. Just a heads up, I have a very tiny lens on this, so it's gonna look a little funny. But here's what it looks like when you put it on the camera. It does have a funny, I'm over here. It does have a little funny vertical launch to it. I don't know what the point of that is, but you can pull the foam off. It is a plastic built setup, which is okay. I've had a lot of plastic microphones that have done really awesome, so I don't mind that at all. Overall, I think this thing definitely looks and feels pretty good. It feels exactly like a Rode video microphone, honestly. I think it's got really good, super high quality build to it, and I'm hoping that I can use this very long term. Like I've said in my other videos, I have two cameras now, the Canon EOS M50 and the Canon EOS M50. So I need another microphone to be able to get audio on both cameras. So that's why I'm trying this out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I hope you liked this review. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask them. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed the technical review on this. And have a great day. See you guys next time. Peace.